How's it going, everybody? Jesse here, back at it again with another video. Hope you guys have had a good week so far. No, it has been a little bit, but we are here in Pigeon Forge, as you can, well, once you could tell, but we're kind of back here behind buildings and stuff. We're in the middle of nowhere, but trust me, we're here for a reason. So there was a car show heading down there over that direction. It's like right next to the red, I can't remember the name of the mall, but it's like Red Something Mall down here. And they're holding some car show down here, and I figured I'd go ahead and go to it, mainly just because it is my birthday today. So I figured I kind of enjoy a little bit of birthday time going to car show. Nothing better, right? I guess you can call this show kind of a preamble to rod runs. There are already a lot of cars on the strip just sitting along, so people have already been packing in, getting ready for rod runs coming up. So yeah, I just want to make you know I will be there, so I'm looking forward to it. I always look forward to it every year. So yeah, look forward to rod run content on the channel. But this show does not replace Shades of the Past. If you guys remember, last year was the final year of Shades, and I think that honor went over to the Triple Crown of Rodding, which is being held right now at the time of recording over there in Nashville. I did have plans to go to it, but unfortunately, you know, little Rhonda the Honda over here, my little trusty car, has been having a lot of issues recently. I say a lot, but it's been a lot to kind of try to fix this car, and with the way it is right now, it's still reliable for sure, but I think where I've been having to repair it quite a bit, maybe a lot of brake issues and stuff. It's just money's been tight, and not only that, but also the fact that I just don't know if I trust myself driving a long way from where I traveling a long way from here to all the way down to Nashville. I feel like it'd be a long drive. So so unfortunately I was not able. I kind of made the decision to myself to not go to the Triple Crown of Rodding. Stinks, but you know, I feel like it's better if I break down. It's better around an area I know than an area I don't know. So but yeah, we're gonna check out this little show. We'll see what happens, and we may go to the strip. I don't know. I mean, it's my birthday, so I'm gonna do whatever I want. Dang it. But if you guys enjoyed, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and as always, guys, let's go have some fun, especially on this birthday, baby. Woohoo! Cars over there too. guys, that was the Smoky Mountain Street Dreams car show. Finally got the title right. So overall, really nice show. Really good little preamble to what's going to be coming on next week. If you guys enjoyed that, you'll love our runs, because trust me, it is going to be 100 times bigger than what we've seen today. So I'm going to now go get some food because I'm hungry. But if you guys enjoyed, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and until next time, guys, take care, God bless, have a good one, and hope to see you guys there at Rod Runs next week.